chicken gnocchi soup has a thick and rich broth with shredded carrots, celery, chopped spinach, gnocchi and chicken hidden throughout. This tastes even better than the Olive Garden. Things you'll need: 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 ribs of celery, chopped, 2 large carrots, grated, 1 cup chopped white onion, 2 large cloves garlic, chopped, 2 tablespoons flour, 8 cups chicken broth, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 cups chopped fresh spinach, 16 ounces prepared gnocchi, 2 cups chopped, cooked chicken, leftover rotisserie works well, 1½ cups heavy cream. Step 1. Sauté the vegetables. Melt the butter in a large stock pot. Add the celery, carrots and onions, and then cook until the vegetables have started to soften. Step 2. Add the garlic and flour. Stir in the garlic, then sprinkle the pan with flour, stirring until the flour is well combined with the vegetables. Step 3. Stir in the broth, gnocchi, spices, chicken and spinach. Stir in the remaining ingredients other than the cream and bring to a simmer. Cook until the gnocchi is cooked through, about 10 minutes. Step 4. Add the cream. Lower the heat and stir in the cream. Adjust the seasoning to taste. Step 5. Serve. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Heat to serve. Thanks for watching. For more great recipes, check links below.